Life fam, welcome back. Today we've got an exciting twist on potato peels. Instead of tossing them out, we're transforming them into a flavorful, crispy snack that's packed with spices and fresh herbs. Let's get started. First things first, grab your potato peels. We're using the skins for this recipe, so make sure they're clean and free of any dirt. The peels have so much flavor and nutrition, so we're giving them a second life. Now, in a pan, heat some oil on medium heat. Toss in your garlic first. Quickly add your potato peels right after. Keep stirring. Cook it for about 1 minute or so. Then add the spices, such as coriander, crushed red pepper, salt, green pepper, and cilantro. Give everything a good toss, making sure each peel is coated with those amazing spices and herbs. I can already smell how good this is going to be. Cook it for 10 minutes on medium heat. Then turn the heat low and cook it for another 5 minutes. Look at this beauty! You've got the perfect balance of heat from the red pepper, freshness from the cilantro, and that irresistible garlic flavor. It's simple, tasty, and perfect on its own, with some nazian or paratha. Give this recipe a try, and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative, delicious ideas here on Food for Life.
Like and subscribe.